This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting a terminal environment and essential tools. Once done, open Termux and run pkg update and pkg upgrade so packages are current. Next, make sure you grant storage access with Termux setup storage and install Python and ffmpeg because they handle downloads and post-processing. Then install Yt-dlp via pip install Yt-dlp or place the standalone binary in $home/bin. Finally, verify installation with Yt-dlp version so you know the tool is ready. Once Yt-dlp is installed, you configure how it downloads. Use F to choose formats, for example F bv*++/b to prefer separate video and audio or a combined file otherwise. Make sure to set an output template with O to keep files organized, and add flags like embed subs and write thumbnail if you want subtitles and artwork embedded. If you need authenticated access, pass a cookies file or headers. For faster segmented downloads, use external downloader area 2C and tune concurrent. You finish by running a test download and inspecting results. Use Yt-dlp URL to get verbose logs, confirm the saved file, and check playback. If something fails, make sure you updated Yt-dlp, pip install Yt-dlp, that ffmpeg is installed, and that Termux has storage permission. These 3 fixes resolve most issues. If downloads are flaky, retry with continue and use external downloader. Finally, move files to your media folders and refresh the gallery so they appear system-wide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.